Welcome to SparkMap. This tutorial will demonstrate how to use the Measure tool in the SparkMap map room. The Measure tool allows you to identify geographic coordinates, measure an area, or measure the length of a path. This tool is available for all SparkMap subscribers. There are two simple steps for using the Measure tool. First, navigate to the map room and access the tool, and then second, draw the path you would like to measure. To find the Measure tool, click the Tools tab in the map room. Then scroll down to Map Tools and select Measure Tools from your options. A few Measure tool options will now appear where your legend was earlier. To identify geographic coordinates, select the Geographic Coordinates box. Then click the area of your map for which you would like to acquire geographic coordinates. Information regarding the point's coordinates will now appear under the Measure Tools tab. This information includes the point's latitude, longitude, UTM zone, and elevation. To measure paths, select the Measure Path box. Then click the area of your map where you wish to begin your path. Then continue to draw your path by clicking points on the map. When you've finished drawing your path, click the Finish button. To edit your path, click and drag any of your previously selected points. When you've finished editing, click the Done Editing button. Scroll down under your Measure Tools tab to see your path's distance, elevation, and slope. To measure an area, click the Measure Area box. Then, click a start point on your map to begin drawing an area. When you're finished, click the Finish button or double-click your map. Scroll down under the Measure Tools tab to see your area's measurements and perimeter. Note that I measured a very long path and very large area, but these tools can also be used at the local level to measure very small areas. If you have any questions about the Measure tools or about the map room, please contact us at sparkmap@missouri.edu.